How to find router IP address on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi as shown. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. Tap on the information icon on the right side of any network you wish to find the router IP address on. Here, you will find several pieces of information, including your iPhone's IP address, the subnet mask, and the router IP address. Then keep scrolling down until you find the router option under IPv for address section. Now, you have successfully found the router option, and this is mainly your network's gateway. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily find the router IP address on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.